We are setting up 3 facilities which comprise of drug substance and drug product. We will be the highest volume manufacturing for the peptides. Hi, this side Sandeep Raktate. I'm heading operation and supply chain for Amneal Pharmaceutical. I'm working for last 3 decades in the pharmaceutical industry, building up the new projects and looking after operation. I think India, as you know, that it's an emerging country. Indian government is taking a lot of efforts for GCC, specifically creating capability centers, and specifically whether it is metro or the 2-tier city, India is deeply investing into tier 2 and tier 3 cities, building a smart cities, building a capability centers, having more interaction between academies and industries, and really India is taking a lot of leap into this area to make sure that they support not within the India, across the globe in terms of capability technology. I should not be biased about that, but I would say that Telangana and Karnataka, they are ahead of this game, and they are building up a lot of infrastructure. They are creating an opportunity for new talents, the skill sets, the colleges, academia. So these are the 2 states I think they are doing good job to creating a GCC. Yeah, I think, we are in 4 sectors. We started with the generics and complex generics. We moved to the biosimilar. We have a specialty, NC and 505B2. So the good and the news hotspot is the GLP-1, which is very, the blockbuster drug which is coming up. Many big pharma has an approval, and we also going by leap and bound. We are setting up 3 facilities which comprise of drug substance and drug product. We will be the highest volume manufacturing for the peptides, that to GLP-1, where almost 5 ton of GLP and more than 200 million injectable in terms of vials, cartridge and PFS will set up that facility. Yeah, obviously, I think the leveraging local talent is very, very important. And in India, we do have, it is just like how you explore them, how you nurture them, how you upskill and reskill them. So we are tying up with a lot of universities, good universities, and the good institutes like IIT Mumbai, IIT Kanpur or IIT Ahmedabad, taking a right talent, building up the academies, nurturing them, and getting a good mix of experience and fresher talent, which is embarking in this journey. Obviously, I think it immense value creation and addition to the industry and society, because you are exploring various options available, whether it is AI, Gen AI. There are many people having this, but like as in coming from an user industry, pharma industry, this platform definitely help that what is happening on the technology sides and how you correlate with your business and how you partner together to have a win-win situation.